Setting admin permissions in Pet Sitter Plus allows you to control exactly which administrative areas a team member can access. You can enable specific tasks such as scheduling, service requests, invoicing, or reporting, ensuring access aligns precisely with their role and responsibilities. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. To switch on admin permissions on a staff profile, firstly navigate to the Admin tab and select Staff from the submenu. Top tip: if you need to create a new staff profile, watch our video on how to add a new staff profile in the Managing Your Team playlist of the Learning Zone, or click the link below. Your active list of staff displays their name, the email address they will be using to log in, their staff account number, and also their login type. The staff login type shows 3 categories of staff access to your system: owner, admin, or staff. Each of these are customizable, allowing you to set the levels of access for each person depending on their job role. For example, a company owner's login type will always be set to owner when they first receive their Pet Sitter Plus login details, allowing them to access all areas of the software. Admin logins are for trusted staff members who have more responsibilities requiring additional permissions, such as processing service requests or invoicing. Staff logins will be a basic level of access, such as new staff, allowing them to view their own schedule. However, further permissions can be added in the future when needed, such as adding updating client or pet information. You can learn more about the various staff level permissions in our Set Staff Permission videos found in the Manage Your Team playlist, or click the link provided below. From your active staff list, click on the staff profile you wish to set admin permissions for. Next, click on the Permissions and Staff Permissions tab. This will allow you to customize their access levels. Top tip: you'll find info icons throughout your system, offering extra help text beside key features. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. Scroll down to the Admin Permissions section under Staff Permissions and switch on Grant Admin Rights. This option reveals a subset of further controls, starting with what options the admin can see. Now decide whether you want your admin to view your financial information, such as pricing, all staff pay, invoices, quotes, and tips. For example, with this switched off, they will not be able to see any prices or staff pay on the schedule, orders, or invoices. If you are happy for them to view and carry out tasks relating to financial information and invoicing, then switch this option on. Switching on Show Support widget on mobile will allow the admin to have the support widget visible on their mobile device. Leave switched off if this is not required. This setting can also be enabled at company level and apply to all staff by accessing Admin, Settings, and Company Settings. The next level of admin controls are applicable to only admins that have more responsibilities, such as managing other staff within your business. Can Export Clients allows your admin to download a full client list from the client search page for further reporting or to use as a backup. Leave switched off if you do not want them to be able to export your clients. The application owner rights are strictly reserved for the business owner and their business partner and gives full access permissions to the user. Every system must have at least one application owner. When Can Manage Staff Permissions is enabled, admins can update and control staff-level permissions, helping ensure each team member has the right access based on their role and responsibilities. Perfect for team leaders or managers who oversee other staff. When Can Manage Admin Permissions is switched on, admins can update both staff and admin-level permissions within your system, giving them the flexibility to manage access for your team and other administrators. Now you have switched on admin permissions for your staff member, remember to click the Update button to save your settings. You can further refine what they are able to see when logged into your system using interface permissions. Top tip. To view examples of full and limited admin permissions, click on the help article links below. The staff interface is visible for all staff when a profile is created and focuses on allowing individual staff to view their own schedules, key list, required keys, and their own staff pay. The admin interface is only visible when grant admin rights has been switched on. Here you can refine the tasks that an admin can carry out on your system under the various task groups and further refine the individual aspects for each group. The admin scheduler allows administrators to view bookings across the entire team. When enabled, it provides access to all available schedule views within your system. These toggle options then give you full control over which views are available, offering a high level of flexibility. You can enable only the views your team needs, helping to keep things clear and efficient. Each view offers a different perspective on your team's workload. For example, calendar views make it easy to spot staff availability and reassign services using drag and drop, while list and column views provide a clear overview of bookings. The group and staff planners can also be used to support effective capacity management. Switching on GPS Monitor gives an admin access to both the GPS dashboard and staff activity report. GPS monitoring is useful for admins to view the check-in and out status of all their staff, their locations when this occurred, and monitor delivery of service. The key management permissions allow an admin to access the key management module for viewing and managing all client keys recorded on your system, as well as key assignment and tracking keys between staff. The invoicing group will enable the admin to perform all or some tasks relating to invoicing. From here, they can manage billing tasks such as creating invoices using bulk invoicing, review and send reminders for existing invoices using the unpaid invoices report, as well as managing any credits or debits on your system. Admins can access some or all the full suite of reports on your system, such as service-related reports, staff pay reports, client-focused reports, or financial revenue reports. The report's access permissions are usually reserved for admins with more responsibilities within your company. Similar to report permissions, admin permissions are usually only accessed by staff who manage core system setup and configurations, such as service item setup, staff management, behind-the-scenes settings, and supporting data. as well as access to system customizations through custom fields. The Connect permissions enables an admin to access your system integrations such as accounting systems, payment processors, and email settings. Once you have decided which areas of your system will be useful for your admins to have access to, remember to click the Update button to save your settings. For more tips on staff, setup and management, be sure to check out our Managing Your Team playlist in the Learning Zone, or check out the links below. You're all set. You've successfully granted admin permissions to a key staff member, giving them the access they need to help you manage your business efficiently. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.